Creating an eye-catching image reveal effect in Elementor is a great way to showcase your content with smooth animations and modern styling. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process from setting up the background and adding content to applying motion effects and ensuring everything looks great on mobile. By the end of this, you'll have a fully responsive creative showcase with stunning visuals and smooth transitions. While animations and motion effects add a modern touch to your site, they can also slow it down, especially if your images aren't optimized and your site isn't fully cached. That's where Airlift comes in. Just enter your site's URL and Airlift does the rest. Airlift is a free speed optimization plugin that instantly boosts your page speed score to 90 plus with over 50 plus automated performance tweaks. It handles lazy loading, image compression, caching, and more without breaking your design. Try it for free at airlift.net and keep your site fast without compromising on creativity. Alright, to begin, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Elementor editor. Before adding any elements, go to Site Settings and change the background color to black. This will create a strong contrast and make the reveal effect more striking. Now insert a container and set its direction to column so that all elements stack vertically. Adjust the minimum height to 90 VH to ensure proper spacing. Then go to Justify Content and Align Items, setting both to center to keep everything perfectly aligned. Next, insert a heading and center it using the Style tab. Set the font size to 85 pixel. Select Poppins as the font and change the text color to white for better visibility. Apply bottom padding of 10 pixel and set the custom width to 77% so that the text remains readable across different screen sizes. Under the Advanced tab, align the heading to the center and assign it a class name WPDevGrad for further customization if needed. To make the heading appear with a smooth effect, go to Motion Effects and apply the entrance animation Fade in Up. Now insert a text editor below the heading and center align the text. Adjust the bottom margin to 50 pixel and set the custom width to 59% to create a clean layout. Just like before, apply a fade in animation under Motion Effects to make the text appear smoothly when the page loads. Next, add an image to the section. Set the image size to full and adjust its width to 91% with a maximum width of 35% to ensure it scales well across all devices. Now go to the Advanced tab and change its position to absolute so that it can be placed freely over other elements. Set the position to 210 pixel and the bottom position to minus 210 pixel, which will position the image outside the normal flow for a dynamic look. To enhance the effect, enable scrolling effects. Select horizontal scroll and apply a transform rotate of 90 degrees. Adjust these values on how you want the image to move and check mobile responsiveness to ensure the effect remains smooth on smaller screens. Now that the background and initial elements are in place, let's create the content container where the image reveal effect will happen. Insert a new container and set its direction to column. Adjust the width to 650 pixel and the minimum height to 100 VH to ensure the section is fully visible on the screen. Again, set both Justify Content and Align Items to center to keep everything properly aligned. Apply a top margin of 120 pixel to add some breathing space above the section and assign it a class name WPDevCard to use it in custom styling later. Now insert another heading inside this container and center it. Reduce the font size to 60 pixel to maintain a balanced hierarchy between the headings. Below it, add a button and apply a solid 1 pixel white border with a border radius of 50 pixel to give it a modern rounded look. Adjust the padding to 15 pixel, 30 pixel to create a well-proportioned button. To enhance the design, insert an image and set its width to 23% so that it doesn't overpower other elements. Now add another image below it, but this time apply a border radius of 30 pixel and set its position to absolute to position it freely over other elements. Keep the left and top values as none and assign it a class name wpdef_card_image_left so it can be targeted for further styling. Now to create the image reveal effect, duplicate the image and change its position from left to right. Assign the duplicated image a new class name wpdef_card_image_right so it can be styled separately. Before moving forward, check the layout on mobile and make any necessary adjustments to ensure the images remain properly positioned and responsive. Next, we'll add an HTML widget inside the first container to include any required custom code for additional effects. Simply insert an HTML widget, paste the required code inside it, and update the page. This will ensure any extra styling and animations load correctly. Once everything is working as expected, duplicate the entire content container 3 more times to create multiple showcase sections. In each duplicated container, change the headings and images to keep the content unique. After making these changes, preview the page to see how the showcase effect looks. At this point, your creative showcase card or image reveal effect is complete. You now have a visually stunning, interactive showcase where text, images, and motion effects come together seamlessly. If you want to refine the design further, try experimenting with different motion effects, adjusting animation speeds, or tweaking the layout for a more customized look. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to test it out on your website and feel free to share your results. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.